Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome back, Assassins. Welcome back to Wall Street Assassins. Back at it again for another review. We spoke about this yesterday, right? This trend line has been respected for multiple months. Around the same time, the market has always seemed to bounce from that area, and today did not disappoint. We definitely called out for the bounce around that 443 zone yesterday. I said, watch out yesterday in yesterday's video. If you didn't see it, go back and see it. We called out for this bounce. Because the trend line was sitting right here. And sure enough, we got that quick morning flush, which was a lot different from what we expected, right? Every morning we get that morning push. Today we got that morning flush, making things a lot more oversold and more appealing for people to buy, especially to buy this dip over here, right? So one thing we want to watch coming into tomorrow, we want to see if we hold these new levels, right? We haven't really broken yesterday's high. Yesterday's high, I believe, was 448.30, 448.50. But we definitely want to pay attention to see if we come close to yesterday's high, right? 448.41. We want to see if we break yesterday's high. And if we start to break that level, then we could basically start pushing up a lot higher from there, right? Once we start breaking that 448.50, 448.80, I think we could start getting back up towards the 450s and maybe even higher. One thing I do not like about this overall run, I think we pushed up a little bit too fast, right? We pushed up a little bit too fast. We went from 443 all the way up towards 448, which is a massive move. Definitely want to watch to see how we react tomorrow around the 20-day SMA. 20-day SMA is sitting at 449. So watch out for that zone. It's been rejected multiple times, especially since we're a little bit more on the overbought side now, since we pushed up so fast. I think we may see another small pullback. Let's see what happens, but I think we're going to pull back. But I think once the market starts getting above 449, we can start pushing up towards those 450 levels, and we'll be a lot safer up there. If not, definitely watch out tomorrow for a possible pullback, especially since this 449 zone has been rejected multiple times. So we want to see if there's some type of strength in the market, right? Market was absolutely hot today. We called out a penny stock, right? INDP. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it was a crazy move, right? Let's drop down towards the 5-minute chart over here. The stock literally was trading at $6 on the 14th, right? And the stock pushed up towards $28 today. Crazy move. I thought it was going to go to $30. I was looking to get in long from 21 towards that $30, but we end up starting to pull back way before that. The stock is back to $10, so that's just how these penny stocks go. Another one that ran today, IRNT. So definitely a crazy one. This one is actually still holding up, so we may want to watch this tomorrow. This thing was trading at $29, pushed up to $42. Amazing move on this one. Let's jump over towards the 20-day, right? Kind of looks like it may be a double top pattern over here, so definitely want to keep this in watch. And if we start to break this zone, let's jump over towards the 180-day. I think this is the highest the stock has been. If we go over towards the 180-day over here, you can see it's the highest the stock has been over here. So definitely want to keep in mind and watch for a possible continuation on this one. Next one I want to talk about is Moderna, right? Moderna basically had some news come out today saying that they are pro for a third booster shot. So definitely want to see how this is going to react with the stock. You can see that we basically pushed up earlier around the 10th of this month, and we've been basically hitting that 466 level, 468 zone, pulled back, and then we're basically trending sideways over here. I think once we start to break 448, we could start pushing back up towards those 460 zones. If not, and we start to come back down, 413 down towards those 397 zones. So keep an eye on that. And last but not least, we called out Tesla yesterday for the break of 753, and we actually got a nice move above 753 today. Nothing like I really expected, but we really broke that 753 zone, and we basically started to linger up here around those 755, 756 zones, right? I was expecting a nice little push towards those 760 zones. Let's jump back over towards the 180-day. That 760 zone has been previous resistance before. So I was hoping we'd probably gap up towards that area. Maybe we'll gap up there tomorrow. Let's see. But other than that, keep an eye on the overall market, right? There's still excitement to be had This Friday is quadruple witching. If you don't know what it is, definitely look it up. But this Friday is quadruple witching, so we definitely want to be cautious as that's going to happen this Friday. So we do have that previous resistance over here. Watch for that break above 449 before we can start getting up towards those 450s. If not, prepare for a possible pullback. Hopefully you guys all have a green trading day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.